going in this next 6 months. So let's begin. On the screen, you see a list of the topics that we're going to be covering and the order that we're going to be covering. We're going to start with my presentation on the geocosmic climate in effect today and going into late 2022, because beyond all of the events that are happening and that we're forecasting, we have the macrocosm of the cosmic structure. Okay, so we try to anticipate what's going to happen on a fundamental level in terms of the economy, in terms of political situation. And we then try to tie that into our understanding of cycles and geocosmic correlations to the history of various financial markets. So each of these sections is going to last about 15 to 20 minutes. I plan to have 2 5-minute breaks in between. So in all, we anticipate this webinar is going to last about 3 hours. It may go a little bit more because I want to spend at least 20 minutes answering your questions this time. It always seems like I run out of time doing the questions. So hopefully we'll have some time and we'll stay a little bit longer in order to get those questions answered. So we're going to start with the geocosmic climate. From there, I'm going to segue into the stock market, the US stock market. Then I'm going to turn over to Gianni, who is going to give his outlook and understanding of the T-note market, the interest rates markets, followed by Euros given by Ulric. Then we'll take a short break. We'll return to have Ulric resume his currency analysis with the US dollar. And that'll be followed by my outlook on the cryptocurrencies, in particular, Bitcoin. Then we'll go into the commodities where Gianni will start off with crude oil. We'll take a break then, followed by his outlook on soybeans, concluding with my outlook on gold. And then if we haven't answered your questions during these presentations, we'll spend time at the end and go over questions you have via the chat.